everyone, this is Charlene and I'm going to guide you through a quick tutorial on how to create a course on HealthStream. HealthStream is basically a healthcare specific online learning center, and you want to make sure when you start that you're an administrator to create a course, otherwise you will not be able to create one. So we're going to go ahead and start with courses, and we're going to add a course. And everything with an orange asterisk, it's a required field. So go ahead and title your course, give a quick description, and you're going to go ahead also and give a few learning objectives, something simple or however many you need. Now, as for default categories, you're going to go ahead and select course category. It's going to be specific to your organization, so I'm just going to choose the one that best suits for mine. And you're going to click Save. So here's the homepage for the actual course, and we're going to click Add a new course attachment. So again, you're going to fill in everything with an orange asterisk. We're going to name the course attachment, completion mode, which I will leave as completion required. Description, if you'd like, that one's optional, and estimated completion time, so however long you think the student's going to need to read and go through all of the material. So again, asterisks are required. Fill in the instructions or provide some extra instructions as to what to do with the material and with the post-test following it. And you'll see that there's two options. There's an online option, and that one's basically you provide a link to the material that you want them to read, or you can upload your own. So that's what I'm going to show here. It can be Word document, PDF, a number of many different types of documents. And don't forget to title it. And there it is. You'll see it right here on the left. It appears now. And you can always go back and edit it or delete it and so on. So now back at the home page, we're going to go and add a test. Again, name your test. We're going to leave it as completion required, and description again is optional. Estimated completion time, however long you think students will be allowing them enough time to finish it. And right here we have minimum passing score and so on. You can say 80% to pass and so on. So we're going to save it, and now here's the homepage for the test. So we're going to go ahead and add a group. And you're going to go ahead and add a question. The group is basically just a simple way to organize your questions. And here you'll see the drop down menu. We've got true, false, multiple choice. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do true, false first. So of course, name your question and provide a question text. And true, false is the most simple to do because all you really have to do is input your question, and as soon as you're done, you go down and you'll see true, false, click whichever one is correct, and you're good to go. You can save and add another question. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you multiple choice. And of course, name your question. And fill in the question text. You'll see all these options at the top. You can bold, underline, center. It's very useful when you want to emphasize on specific words for the question. And now for this one, we're going to have to add the answers. So add a new answer and fill in the answer text. And continue and add another answer. And you'll see here you have the option to click that this is the correct answer. And continue and add another. And you can add as many answer options as you'd like. Again, you may continue and add as many as you'd like, or you can just click continue and it'll show you the overview of that specific question. So here you have your options, and over here on the right you see you can edit or delete a question, and if you forgot to click the little box that said the correct answer, you can do that here, so there's no need to panic if you missed it. So the next thing, you want to make sure you go to edit group settings, and you want to make sure you click use all to include every single question on your text. And we're going to go back to the home page of the tests. Go ahead and click on default group settings, and right here I'm just going to show you that you can rename your group if you'd like. I could have renamed this one and used it, but instead I'm just going to show you how to delete it. If you don't use it, or if you don't like any of your groups, you realize it's not necessary to have it, you can go ahead and delete them. And when you're happy with the way it looks, you have all the questions you need, you can click preview and it'll show you how your course will look to the students. So we can see that it says status not yet started, and we can see that this is not clickable, and it won't be until the student opens up the document. And they can click continue, and then we'll see that now the post-test has a link, and it'll be clickable. And that's what the test would look like to a student, with the instructions and the questions. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and publish it. Or if you want to continue working on it on another day, you can go back to the Courses tab, Manage Courses, and type in the title of your course or the one that you were working on, and you can search it and it'll show up right there. Or another option is going back to Courses, and there's a little window. You can go ahead and click on that and it'll show you the most recent courses that you worked on. And that's basically how you create a course on HealthStream. Good luck, everyone!